What additional challenges does Scope 3 reporting introduce in terms of accessing external supplier data?
I mean, scope three reporting, especially when you go into kind of like, the goods that you're purchasing and, the emissions associated with those goods or the emissions associated with, the transport of goods that you are purchasing to your organization. And then all, of course, the other subcategories of scope three, it's all external data, stuff that you don't have in house as a company. Now, you either are collecting that data as you engage with suppliers before you even engage them as a supplier, right? When you're looking at potential vendors, or you're then retroactively engaging these suppliers after they've provided you with a good or a service. And you're having to chase down information. And I think a lot of kind of sustainability teams, the first step is, well, let's send a survey to everybody. But the question is, do you need to send a survey to everybody? Probably not, because you need to be focusing on who's material to you. And then the second is, you know, how do I send a survey? Should I be using my sustainability platform to do it? Should I be engaging with potential vendors before they become a supplier to me? And if I have already engaged with someone and if I purchased something for them, how do I collect this information? Do I use a piece of software like Zero to do it? Should it be embedded within my vendor registration process? So I think it's a matter of like figuring out a number of different things, right? Like where is that information? Who has it? Who should I be collecting it from? Who's important to collect it from? And then what's the best process within my organization to consistently collect this information? And I think sometimes it's just an ad hoc. Let me start collecting supplier data, and I think that's a big challenge.